Have you ever wondered why some people seem to find happiness wherever they go, while others always complain about their surroundings? The answer lies in our perception. This ancient Zen story beautifully illustrates how our attitude and mindset shape the world around us. One afternoon, a wise Zen master was sitting in the courtyard of his monastery. Beside him sat one of his most curious disciples, eager to learn from the master's wisdom. As they sat in peaceful contemplation, two travelers arrived, each seeking guidance about their future. Both were considering moving to the town where the Zen master lived, and both wanted to know what kind of place it was. The first traveler approached the Zen master. He looked exhausted and frustrated. With a deep sigh, he bowed respectfully and said, "Master, I'm tired of my old town. I want to move to a new place and start fresh. Can you tell me what this town is like?" The Zen master looked at him thoughtfully and, instead of answering directly, asked, "What was your old town like?" The traveler's face twisted with irritation as he recalled his past. "It was terrible," he grumbled. "The people were rude, unfriendly, and always against me. I hated living there. No one ever smiled, and life felt like a burden." The Zen master nodded and replied, "This town is very much the same. I don't think you should move here." Hearing this, the man's shoulders dropped in disappointment. He thanked the Zen master and walked away, still carrying his bitterness and resentment. A short while later, the second traveler approached the Zen master. Unlike the first, he had a warm smile and greeted the master with kindness. "Master," he said, "I am thinking of moving to this town. Could you tell me what this place is like?" Again, the Zen master asked the same question. "What was your old town like?" The traveler's eyes sparkled with joy as he recalled his past. "It was wonderful," he said cheerfully. "The people were kind and friendly. I had many good friends, and life was happy. I just feel like exploring new places and meeting new people." The Zen master smiled and said, "This town is very much the same. I think you will like it here." The second man thanked the master, feeling hopeful and excited about his future in the new town. After the second traveler left, the disciple, who had been silently observing the conversation, turned to the Zen master with a puzzled expression. "Master," he said, "I don't understand. You told the first traveler not to move here, but you encouraged the second one to do so. Both asked the same question, yet you gave different answers. What?" The Zen master smiled gently and replied, "You see, my young friend, the world is as you see it. It reflects the state of your own mind and heart. If you are a kind, loving, and positive person, the world will appear friendly and full of joy. But if you carry negativity, anger, or bitterness, the world will seem hostile and cold." The first traveler was filled with negativity, so he saw the world as a negative place. The second traveler had a positive outlook, so he saw the world in a positive way. We attract the kind of experiences that match our inner selves. This story teaches us a profound truth. Our perception shapes our reality. The way we view the world is often a mirror of the state of our own mind and heart. The first traveler believed the world was full of hostility and unhappiness. His negative outlook led him to expect negativity wherever he went. The second traveler carried a heart full of gratitude and joy. As a result, he found joy and kindness wherever he traveled. This same principle applies to our own lives. Our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes greatly influence the experiences we have. If we constantly dwell on negativity, bitterness, or anger, we will likely encounter those elements everywhere we go. However, if we nurture kindness, gratitude, and positivity, we will attract positive experiences. The world outside us is often a reflection of the world within us. If we want to experience happiness and fulfillment, we must first cultivate these qualities within ourselves. Here's how. Practice gratitude. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, take time each day to appreciate what is good in your life. Let go of resentment. Holding on to past grudges only harms you. Forgive and move forward with a light heart. Focus on the positive. Train your mind to see the good in situations and people. This doesn't mean ignoring reality, but choosing a perspective that empowers you. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you, rather than those who bring negativity. Develop self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions. If you find yourself constantly negative, take steps to shift your mindset. This end story reminds us that we have a choice in how we see the world. Happiness is not something we find in a place. It is something we create within ourselves. The next time you find yourself unhappy with your surroundings, take a moment to look inward. Ask yourself, is it really the world that is negative, or is it my perspective? When we see the world with love and gratitude, the world reflects that love and joy back to us.